It's wedding day.
Yeah, wedding day. Not my wedding and not his wedding for sure. Look, it's so beautiful. And we have. Look, we are all getting ready. Good morning.
Good morning.
Family time.
Yes.
We are so excited.
It's wedding day.
Yeah, wedding day. Not my wedding and not his wedding for sure.
My brother's wedding.
So it's our big brother's wedding.
Yes, sir.
And we're just here to celebrate Costa.
Yes, we are.
We're excited. Look at us. We woke up this morning and we're glowing. We forgot to vlog. Good morning, Mama. We woke up. Oh, so last night we did facials and stuff. Oh my God, we forgot to vlog that.
I love facials.
We woke up and look at us. We got our beauty sleep.
Yes.
And
10
we're
whole
ready.
hours of beauty sleep.
Yeah. And this morning I'm on a mission.
Yes.
To make Evelyn, that is our little niece,
Yes.
to fall in love with me. She's such a diva.
She's such a diva.
She's like, oh my God, she gave me bombastic side eyes last
I
night.
saw that. I saw that last night.
I was like, girl, I love you. She's been singing all morning.
All morning long.
I'm like, this girl, you're gonna be a star. We're gonna warm up to each other.
Yes.
And then she's gonna be like, oh, Auntie Cafe is the best.
Yes. You're gonna see it. Like, she's gonna come to you all by herself.
Yeah.
Later.
It's my mission this morning. She has to love me. Like, she's my favorite now. I'm gonna just switch,
Favoritism.
exchange, and Evelyn will take the crown, okay?
Okay.
So, guys, we'll be taking you all along today. So you'll be seeing bits and pieces.
Yes.
Okay.
There she is.
Oh, look at her.
Ella.
Ella. She left.
She left.
Okay, well, she's gonna come back. I'm excited.
Gonna have breakfast, hopefully.
Yeah, we're gonna have breakfast.
My mom will make breakfast and started getting ready for the wedding.
Yeah, but the wedding is still at 6.
Sure.
So,
6:30.
because you know that I need time to get ready, I'm gonna start getting ready from 4 o'clock. Because I don't want to be late, because this one here
Exactly.
will be grumpy.
I think we're gonna start getting ready even before that.
Before that.
Because people are gonna come here. It's a whole big thing here in Crete where like the groom's friends or the bride's friends, they come here to like dress up the
Really?
person. Yeah. It's a
They're
thing.
gonna
so
be
they're gonna
all dressed
occupy
up.
like the
Oh my
the
gosh.
rooms.
Well, I'm so excited to be back here. The last time I was here, we did our sister's wedding.
Yes.
And that is Catherine, and that's Evelyn's mom. Okay. So you see. So now we're here for Costas. Costi. Where is he? Let's go bug him out.
Must be somewhere. I don't know.
Έλα πιο κοντά να δω και το τσαντάκι σου. Έλα πιο κοντά να δω και το τσαντάκι. Έλα από εδώ να το δω.
Evelyn. Evelina. This is Papu with Evelina. I mean, you're for sure Papu's favorite.
She is.
but Dimitri doesn't know, and I don't know, so we have to ask. Look, it's so beautiful. And we have some sweet here. Okay, so I'm ready. I'm done dressing. It's a lot of people now. Look, we are all getting ready and going to the location. So, yes, it's pink on pink on pink. Okay.
We are done.
Going back home.
I don't want to go home.
Me too, honestly.
We had fun.
We had so much fun.
Yeah.
I would literally move to Crete.
Speak up, bitch.
I would literally move to Crete. Okay, guys.
So my mom can feed her all of the time.
Oh my god, like I've had so much food.
She had 3 plates of my mom's potato salad. 3.
Was it 3 or 4? I think it was more than that. It was so good. She was feeding me the whole time.
Yes, she
I
was.
love it.
Yeah.
And now she's my godmother.
She's
my-
about to.
She's
In
my-
the future.
She's my nonna.
Nonna.
I love her so much.
She loves you too. And I love you.
So yeah, this trip, this is the end of this trip.
End of the trip.